Hello, everyone. So how many of you have heard about big data and are still confused? Well, I have good news for you. You guys are not alone. Big data has been the most confounding word of 2012. So let's try to clear that up. Big data, by definition, means three things. It's defined by three V's. High volume, that means you have a lot of data. High variety, that is coming from different data sources. And it's high velocity. That means it's growing rapidly. Like this guy, we already looked at it. So the question is, what started it? Well, we had a silent data explosion. Let's look at some numbers. 90% of world data was created just in the last 2 years. We expect to have 8 billion gigabytes by 2015. So by now, you must be thinking, it's all about data? Well, the answer is no. Big data is more than just data. It's a revolution that is transforming the world we live in. So let's see how it all got started. The impacts of processing large amount of data sets forced technologies to come up with a better, most cost-effective way to process large data sets. That was the big aha moment. Once we figured out that we can process large data sets, we started combining data from different data sources. That resulted in amazing correlations, like weather data with social media data, and sales data. And that resulted in amazing correlations. Correlations allowed us to see bigger picture, actually a movie, and that resulted in more accurate predictions and powerful insights. That led to revolution across many industries. Let's look at some of them. Retail. Before, we had doorbuster sales. Now we have more personalized recommendation. We can cross-sell and upsell product better. Amazon, Netflix, and all have done it very well. Marketing. Before, we did not know our customers. Now we know exactly who they are. How old are they? Whether they're happy or they're mad. And we can engage them better. Healthcare, which is my favorite topic. Before, we would go sick and then go to the doctor. Now, based on our risk factors, they can predict when we are going to sick and prevent it from happening. There are many other industries that also got transformed. Let's look at some of them. Biotechnology. We have fast genome sequencing. We have in financial, we have risk management, preventing fraud before it actually happens. Government, we gather intelligence, a lot of data to intelligence. IT, security. Some interesting example around the world, Walmart. Walmart figured out the sales of Pop-Tarts were 7 times higher ahead of a hurricane. Very interesting. And my favorite one, Orbitz. Orbitz figured out that Mac users tend to book more expensive hotels. So this is one time, only one time I would recommend you guys use Windows while booking a hotel. Now, we put everything to test. In one of our experience, we looked at the donor's profile and their previous history and figured out who exactly they are going to be donating to, which charity they're going to be donating to. So by now you must be thinking, hey, I'm a small company. I'm not a Walmart or a Google. What can I do? Well, you can still use it. You can start with a simple problem, try to do a prototype, and see what amazing things you can do. Figure out what data that you already have in Excel spreadsheets, in your CRM. Try to see if you can correlate it and discover your hidden treasure within your data. And that's where it stops. Well, by now you must be thinking, hey, you know what? It all sounds so fancy. Is it too good to be true? The answer is yes, it is. It won't solve all your problems. It is just one new tool in your toolbox that you should know when to use it. But no matter what you do, don't throw away your data, because data is like an iceberg. It's just the tip is visible. Most of it is lying underneath it, and that's what you have to discover. So key takeaways points are, it's not a hype, it's here to stay, got proven benefits, and starting is easy. Big data delivers big business value. So what's in your data? Thank you very much.